Have you ever yawned during a yoga class or maybe in a serious meeting? Yawning seems to strike at the most unexpected times. We all do it, from babies to grandparents. But why? What is it about that long, slow inhale followed by the satisfying exhalation that our bodies crave? The truth is, scientists are still trying to unlock all the secrets of yawning, but one thing is for sure, it's much more than just a sign of tiredness. One of the most fascinating things about yawning is how contagious it is. Think about it. You see someone yawn and suddenly you're fighting the urge to do the same. There's even evidence that reading about yawning can trigger it. This contagiousness hints at a possible social function, a way for humans to communicate and synchronize behavior within a group. But yawning's purpose goes beyond social cues. Some scientists believe it plays a vital role in regulating brain temperature. Think of it like the brain's own personal cooling system. Just like a computer needs a fan to prevent overheating, our brains might rely on yawning to cool down and function at their best. But the mystery of the yawn remains. It's a reminder that even the most commonplace bodily functions can hold hidden depths and complexities. While we continue to explore the science behind it, one thing is clear. Yawning is a fascinating phenomenon with a story yet to be fully told. The truth is, yawning is a bit of a scientific puzzle. We know it happens, and we know it happens a lot. But the exact reasons behind it are still being debated. One prominent theory suggests that yawning helps to cool down the brain. When we yawn, that big inhale brings in a rush of cooler air. This air then circulates around the skull, potentially acting like a cool breeze on a warm day for our brains. Another interesting theory revolves around social signaling. Think about when you're most likely to yawn, in meetings, during lectures, or even just hanging out with friends. Some scientists believe that contagious yawning developed as a way for early humans to communicate. It could have been a way to signal tiredness to the group, prompting everyone to settle down for the night. Yawning might also play a role in increasing alertness. That big, deep breath increases oxygen intake, which could provide a much-needed boost to a sleepy brain. This might explain why we often yawn before important events or during moments of stress. Our bodies could be trying to prime our minds for optimal performance. While we haven't completely cracked the code of yawning, it's clear that this simple act is more complex than it seems. It's a reminder that our bodies are constantly working in mysterious and fascinating ways. Believe it or not, we're not the only ones who yawn. From our furry friends to creatures of the sea, yawning is a behavior observed across a wide range of species. Dogs, cats, chimpanzees, even fish. They all yawn. This widespread presence suggests that yawning serves an essential biological function, one that transcends species and has been conserved throughout evolution. Intriguingly, contagious yawning isn't unique to humans either. Studies have shown that chimpanzees, our closest relatives, also experience this phenomenon. When one chimp yawns, others in the group are more likely to follow suit. This suggests that the social aspect of yawning, the idea of it as a form of communication, could have deep evolutionary roots. Observing yawning in the animal kingdom can provide valuable insights into our own behavior. For example, researchers have noticed that animals often yawn in situations that might induce stress or anxiety. This supports the theory that yawning serves a physiological purpose, potentially helping to regulate stress responses and promote relaxation. By studying yawning across different species, we gain a broader understanding of this intriguing behavior. It highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth and reveals the shared biological mechanisms that unite us with the animal kingdom. Sleep is often seen as a passive activity, a time when our bodies and minds shut down, but the truth is far more dynamic. Sleep is an active state, crucial for restoring and rejuvenating our bodies and minds. One of the most profound benefits of sleep is its impact on cognitive function. During sleep, our brains are hard at work, consolidating memories, processing information, and boosting creativity. Think of your brain as a computer. Throughout the day, it's bombarded with information, experiences, and emotions. Sleep is like hitting the save button. During deep sleep, our brains transfer information from short-term to long-term memory, solidifying what we've learned and experienced. This process is essential for learning, allowing us to retain knowledge and skills. But sleep's benefits go beyond just memorization. Studies have shown that a good night's sleep can enhance creative problem-solving abilities. When we sleep, our brains make new connections between seemingly unrelated pieces of information, leading to those aha moments of insight and innovation. So, the next time you're feeling mentally drained or creatively stuck, remember the power of sleep. It's not just about resting your body, it's about giving your brain the time it needs to thrive.